You guys don't understand. I went to the extent of resetting my entire phone because I need Google Maps. I need Google Maps to go from my bedroom to my bathroom. Okay, that's exaggerating. Probably not true, but maybe when I'm older, who knows. But the point is, I need Google Maps. And this is the only thing that solved it. What's up everybody? So I'm gonna show you a problem that I just solved by chance, and I'm not sure if this is only me or it doesn't apply to everybody. It probably might not, but here's the thing. I just came across this by chance, and maybe it'll help you. Maybe you have the same problem as well. So if you're having problems with your GPS signal, and say for instance I wanna go to a place and I tap on start, you can see that my GPS is clearly working. I've got the kilometers per hour, so it's actually calculating my kilometers, right? But my mount is actually a magnet mount. Here's the mount right here. So this is what the mount looks like, and it's basically one where I'm gonna put it on the dash over here. It stays right there, and then the back of my case has the metal that it sticks to. So then this metal will go on, we're like, say for instance this is my phone, and my phone will just stick on it like this. Let's take the case off. So right now the case is off. The case is completely off right now. There's no interference whatsoever. And one reason you can see the case does interfere is right now the case is off and I have not lost GPS signal. It's detecting where I am and also the kilometers per hour I'm traveling at. As soon as I take my case and slap the case on, okay, so I'm gonna slap the case on right now, then I'm already starting to lose signal, and I'm gonna put it on the mount. The mount has a magnet at the back, so it's like going back and forth, sort of losing and gaining GPS signal again. But as I move, when I start driving, it really does lose GPS signal because of the magnet at the back. Now again, I'm not sure if this is only me or it applies to everybody, but this would go on to the point where it actually doesn't detect me moving. It doesn't detect where I am, my location, and where I'm supposed to go. So you can see right now, it took a little while, but I'm losing GPS signal, right? And you can see right there that my kilometers per hour is not reading anymore. And in order for me to solve this, it just clicked on me after I suffered so much. I even went to the point where I reset my phone just to fix this issue, because I thought it was some kind of software issue, because it's clearly not a hardware issue on my side. And I reset my phone and I still had the same problem later on, and I realized that it's actually when I use the mount. So right now you can see that I don't have much of a GPS signal. It's like on and off. It comes on and it comes off again. But when I take this off of the mount, right, I'm gonna take the mount off, and I'm also gonna take it out of the case, and I'm gonna take it and put it in my normal case, and you will see that and you can see right now that that thing of me losing GPS signal and regaining it and losing it and regaining it is not happening anymore. It's constant. It's still constantly reading that I am not moving at all. I am at 0 kilometers per hour because I'm not moving at all. And it's not going like stripes or just going out. So yeah, long story short, really, if you want to solve this and you happen to have a magnet mount, maybe try and take your phone off the mount, and this might be the solution to your problem. That might be the only problem that you're having, and you're going crazy like me, resetting the phone and doing all that stuff. But it's really not necessary. All you needed to do was take it off of the magnet mount and maybe just basically get a different mount for your phone. Yeah, so I hope this helped, and If you are using a magnet mount and this solved your problem just by taking it off of the magnet mount, let me know in the comments below. And if it didn't, also let us know what your problem was and how you managed to solve it in terms of GPS or GPS signal lost. That was the most annoying sound I've ever heard from Google. GPS signal lost. So thanks for watching. Till next time, peace.